Hi guys, this is Vic, and in this video I want to just demonstrate you how powerful the new video hosting service inside Convertri is and how it can save you tons of money and get you tons of conversions. So right now I'm inside my Convertri dashboard, and as you see I've actually, you can see all these pages here. I've got all my business inside Convertri and I'm super happy. But right now when we are it's October 2019, and with this new update that came inside Convertri, it's all about, they're including the video hosting service as well inside the same dashboard. Now what does this mean? I mean, look at this page. Let me just refresh, and it has the new video hosted on Convertri
Wait right
here
there.
in boom. So what did you see? The video autoplay. It autoplays the video, and when I scroll down, it
Your
has a
order
60
is not
video. It's gonna be actually playing there, and the video loads super fast with the page. That was the beauty of Convertri. This is all inbuilt now. This Earlier I was using Vimeo, and there are other services like Vistia, but now it's all included in the same package. So you are not paying anything extra. It's the same Convertri cost, and you're getting this additional awesome feature. Now how this whole thing works, let me give you a live demonstration. So right inside the dashboard, go to campaigns. When you go to campaigns, you end up coming to this page where you have all your funnels right here. But what we have to do is go to the left hand side, and this new tab will appear if you have the new version of Convertri. So this video tab will appear right here. Step one is go and click on this tab. You will come to this new page now, and over here we have this upload video section. Okay, now from here you just need to select your video from your hard drive. Is as simple as that. Name the video and hit upload. It's that simple. I'm not going to do that, but here are the videos that I just uploaded, and I know that they work awesome. I've just shown you a demo, but once the videos are uploaded, they basically end up coming in this list. Now the video is inside Convertri's dashboard. Okay, now you don't need to worry about anything. And when you go in your let me go inside the editor, and we'll talk about the same page that we are seeing right here. Okay, and how is the video added inside the editor. So the step one was uploading the video, going into the video section. Step two is going to your same page editor that you used to use earlier, which is super newbie friendly and very simple yet very powerful. But now you have the video hosting service included there as well. This is huge, and this is making me crazy. Now over here you see this video player. This is Convertri video player from the new video hosting service. Now how do we get this? And when I click on this, obviously the properties appear on the right hand side. That is what happens to all the elements inside Convertri. But what we have here is, how do we get this video player? That's the question right now. So on the left hand side we have these menu bars as always, and we have this media. Okay, so inside media we have this video. This is the new video hosting player. That when I click on this, so this video hosting this new video player from Convertri will appear here. Okay, so that's how you get it. I'm gonna delete this because I'm gonna work on this one now. How do you add some properties? Very simple. You click on this, and then you actually, this is the main property. So inside the video properties, you simply turn this on: autoplay on desktop, autoplay on mobile. Then you have the sticky option here. Just click this, and boom, you are in game. It's as simple as that. If you want to change the size, you can drag it, just drag it wherever you want. And after that you just hit the save button, hit the publish button, and then you can come out of this page. Okay, I don't want to save the changes because that was just for demonstration. And boom, when you load the page, I mean, you've seen it loads super fast with the video now. So that
Wait
is
right
huge,
there.
guys. boom, there are tons of other things, cool things that you can do with this video. You can add sign up pages, you can add buy now buttons right inside the video wherever you want. You can control, you can check out the viewer, you can check out the stats, like after how many seconds the viewer left the video, stuff like that. There's some advanced cool stats option right there, and it looks cool, it looks very clean. You don't need to worry about anything. No more additional payment to services like Vimeo or Vistia or any other like Amazon S3. You are only paying that same amount, and right now, if you're watching this during the launch period, it's just one-time offer, one-time cost for 12 months. You don't need to pay anything, it's just one-time cost. So you must have this feature. It saves tons of your time and gets you better conversions because it's loading the page super fast. It's giving you the sticky video option as well, and you don't need to worry about any coding, any skills. It's all here right inside the Convertri interface, and the all other powers are becoming powerful and powerful with every single month, and they are releasing new upgrades. And I'm only and only using Convertri. It's built over 6 figures in business for me, and I'm a very happy customer, and I'm actually showing you live what it is all about when it comes to this new hosting service. So grab Convertri with all the new features, including this video hosting features, and you can thank me later. There's a link right under this video which takes you to the Convertri sales page. Plus I'm also adding $100,000 in bonus pack if you pick it from my link. And once you pick it, you can send me a message on my support@wickkadishow.com. That'll be in the description as well, so you can send me a ticket with your purchase info and I'll send you your bonuses. I hope this helped you, and go host all your videos on Convertri, and I wish you all the luck and get as many conversions as you want. This is Vic signing off, and I want to hear your success stories with Convertri. Let me know in the comment section your success stories with Convertri. Bye bye, take care.